Good evening, sir. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rex Kim M. Anahaw. In the course I took is BSMT, and my section is Strategy. Number 2 question: what is the importance of research in your program? BSMT BSMRE. These research programs contribute to the development of marine science and technology, as well as the advancement of the maritime industry. Number 3 questions: how will this course subject help you fulfill your dream of becoming a successful seafarer? Seafarers are expected to exhibit friendliness, maturity, and a positive attitude. Considering the significance of communication for a successful journey, they should also possess the ability to interact freely with other team members. And that's all. Thank you, sir.